Hello everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at the Fiskars 9109535J Bypass Pruning Shears, a tool that's become a staple for many gardeners. Let's explore its features, performance, and see if it deserves a spot in your gardening toolkit. The Fiskars 9109535J is designed for precision and ease of use. Key features include precision ground steel blades. These fully hardened blades maintain sharpness even after extensive use, ensuring clean cuts every time. Low friction coating. This feature allows the blades to glide through wood effortlessly, preventing them from gumming up with sap and debris and enhancing rust resistance. Ergonomic design. The shears are lightweight, weighing just 10.4 ounces and feature a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Cutting capacity. Capable of handling stems and light branches up to 5/8 inches in diameter, making it versatile for various pruning tasks. Each product has their pros and cons. Let's look at the pros first. Sharp and durable blades. The precision ground steel ensures longevity and consistent performance. Smooth operation. The low friction coating facilitates easy cutting, reducing strain on your hands. Affordable. Offers excellent value for its price, making quality pruning accessible to all gardeners. Now it's time for the cons. Limited to light branches. Not suitable for branches thicker than 5/8 inches. Attempting such cuts may damage the blades. Stiff spring mechanism. Some users have reported that the spring can be a bit stiff initially, requiring a break-in period. Customers have left some of their feedback regarding the product. Let's look at some of them. Considering its design, functionality, and user feedback, we rate the Fiskars 9109535J Bypass Pruning Shears 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's a reliable and efficient tool for everyday gardening tasks, offering great value for its price. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and product reviews. Happy pruning!